Hello. It's Tuesday 26th of February. I've had the chickens about 24 hours now. Mason has started to calm down a bit, but it's still like doggy TV. All he wants to do is watch them. They've explored around. They were a bit awkward last night because the light was failing, Mason. The light was failing, so they were looking for somewhere to roost for the night, and so Lurch had to put them in the actual box. Now they're all right, and they slept the night in there, not a problem. Yeah, I want to just link Richard at Staffordshire Chickens, where I got these from. They're fully vaccinated, the birds are. His prices for his food and that are exceptionally good, especially if you buy more than one bag, which I have done. And I'll show you some footage now of the chickens that he looks after when their owners are away, because if they've got no one to look after their chickens, they can take them to him and he looks after them for a week, 2 weeks, month, whatever it is, and so they have a little holiday as well. These are just some of the chickens he's got. They aren't the ones for sale. They're the ones that I think he has for himself, these are. But anybody who's going away for a while and needs their chickens looking after, they actually do chicken holidays. So you've got chickens here, different ones. You can see, so you can actually send your chicken on holiday. The escape crew is huddled together looking for a way out. Once decided, make a break for it. Mason. Second thoughts. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect